Oh, there's a part two. Sorry, my thing keeps on shutting off. Hello. There's that guy right behind us. There's that guy. No, he was though. Would you like to make a shout out? Okay. Okay, Joseph, how was your second time on this ride?
Good.
Okay. Want another